If you're wondering how to integrate Housecall Pro with your site, stick around because in this quick guide, we're going to show you just how easy it is to get this powerful tool working with your website. By the end of this video, you'll be able to streamline your business operations with Housecall Pro's seamless integration capabilities, saving time and improving client management. And the best part? You can use Housecall Pro for free with the link below, plus exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. Now, let's dive right into how to integrate Housecall Pro with your website. First things first, Housecall Pro is a fantastic all-in-one software solution for field service businesses, offering features like scheduling, payments, invoicing, and customer management. But what really sets it apart is how easy it is to integrate it with your website. Once you've signed up for Housecall Pro, link in the description for your free trial and bonuses, you can head over to the integration section in your account settings. From there, you'll find a variety of options for syncing your site with the software. One of the easiest ways to get started is by adding a booking widget to your website. To do this, simply navigate to the booking widget section, where you'll be given a piece of code to copy. Don't worry, you don't need to be a developer to make this work. You'll just need to paste the code into your site's HTML, wherever you want the booking form to appear. This allows your customers to book services directly from your site, without ever having to leave the page. If you're using WordPress, integrating Housecall Pro is even simpler. There's a plugin available that allows you to add the booking widget to any page with just a few clicks. Once the plugin is installed, you can easily drag and drop the widget to the right spot, and voila, your customers can now schedule appointments directly on your website. But that's not all. Housecall Pro also integrates with payment systems like Stripe and PayPal, so you can accept payments directly through your website as well. You'll need to link your payment gateway in your account settings, but once that's done, Housecall Pro will automatically handle invoicing and payment processing for you. If you're using other digital tools, Housecall Pro also offers integrations with software like QuickBooks for accounting, MailChimp for email marketing, and more. These integrations allow you to sync all your customer data across different platforms, streamlining your workflow and keeping everything organized. Now, I know you might be wondering how much all of this is going to cost. The great news is that you can start using Housecall Pro for free through our exclusive link below, which gives you access to extended trial periods and other bonuses that can save you even more. This means you can test out all these integrations without having to commit to a subscription right away. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to boost your website's functionality and take your service business to the next level, integrating Housecall Pro is the way to go. Whether you're a plumber, electrician, or any other type of service provider, Housecall Pro makes it easier than ever to manage your appointments, payments, and customer relationships. Remember, you can get started with Housecall Pro today for free through the link below. Not only will you get a trial, but you'll also receive some special bonuses that will give you an edge in managing your business more efficiently. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on software integrations and business tools, be sure to check out our other videos. And don't forget, by using the link below, you'll unlock an exclusive extended trial to Housecall Pro so you can start growing your business without any upfront costs. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.